Hello, I am Uidori, mascot of Bosong, the green tea city.
My name is Dahyanggi. Obong Mountain in Dungyangmyeon, Bosong has 5 peaks and is especially famous for kalbawi.
Other rocks include Geguri Bawi, Horangi Bawi, Bosom Bawi, and Tejo Bawi.
Among the rocks, you can find a deep cave. When you throw a stone into this cave, it will come out in Dungyang Bay.
A story of kalbawi.
Once upon a time, Mr. Im from Bosong and his friend went to visit Kalbawi in Obong Mountain. Wow, beautiful scenery.
Mr. Im, you can see Dungyang Island there.
If you go into a deep cave under Kalbawi, I heard you can reach Dungyang Island.
You must be kidding.
Then I'll go in and find out.
You?
I will tie myself with this rope, so please hold it tight.
Don't you think it's dangerous?
I'll give you the signal when I reach the water. Then pull me up.
Okay.
So Mr. Im went into the cave while his friend held the rope. But his friend let go of the rope on accident, so Mr. Im fell.
How long has passed since then? Mr. Im's soul came out of the cave without realizing its own death.
Wow, it's so bright.
When he went to the village, a farmer was having lunch by the paddy.
I feel hungry. I should ask to join him.
Mr. Im sat right next to the farmer, but he completely ignored him.
How couldn't he offer me his food? He's so selfish. Damn you!
When Mr. Im slapped his face, the farmer dropped dead.
What? Slapping his face killed him?
Mr. Im was amazed by this incident. Ever since then, he hurt people and took their food.
And then he visited his own home, but another person was living there. What? Who are you?
I am the owner of this house. But who are you?
I am Mr. Im, who lived here before.
Mr. Im? He is my grandfather. What?
So, 10 years had passed since his death, but it looked like a day to Mr. Im. Suddenly, a monk from Gaehong Temple came to visit.
Can I see Mr. Im?
I am the one. Who are you?
My master at Gaehong Temple wants to see you.
Mr. Im followed the monk to Gaehong Temple.
Please, step inside here for a while.
When Mr. Im went into the storage room, they locked the door. Because Mr. Im's soul tortured people, the soul of the chief monk of the temple locked the door and sent him to hell.
Kalbawi is also known as the place where monk Wonhyo was enlightened. He bathed himself at Yongchu Falls and trained at Kalbawi.
Obong Mountain has many enormous rocks, creating a beautiful scene. Recently, hikers have been visiting this place often.
Everyone, please stop by Kalbawi in Obong Mountain.
Bye!